Hey there everyone and welcome back to my channel. Earlier I had posted my first video on nutrition which was titled as The Basics of Nutrition Part 1. This video is going to be the continuation of the same video where I would be explaining to you an important macronutrient which would be carbohydrates. So if you haven't watched my previous video, make sure to watch the video by clicking the I button above. And also make sure to watch this video till the end to know what's the key to your long-term health and what are the recent WHO recommendations for improving your health. Carbohydrates are divided into two groups: simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates, for example, are found in sugar, which is the main ingredient of almost all the sweet things that we consume, whereas complex carbohydrates are found in more starchy or fibrous fruits or vegetables. So which one should you be eating more? Simple carbohydrates or complex carbohydrates? And of course, the clear winner would be complex carbohydrates. So why should you be adding more complex carbohydrate into your diet? Now I am going to highlight few key points to explain the same.
Complex carbohydrates help maintain blood sugar spikes and guards against diabetes.
Every food which we consume has glycemic index, and glycemic index is responsible for affecting our blood sugar spike. Since complex carbohydrate has less glycemic index, it helps us to manage our blood sugar spike and guards us against type 2 diabetes. So the question arises, why should you be or anyone be worried about diabetes? According to WHO data, diabetes is amongst the top 10 killers in the world. In the year 2016 alone, it accounted for nearly 1.6 million deaths all over the world.
Complex carbohydrates helps maintain proper gut health.
Gut health is an important determination of our physical health, mental health, and the immunity of our body. Complex carbohydrates are a rich source of fiber, and the fiber helps us to maintain our proper gut health.
Complex carbohydrates guards against cardiovascular disease.
Complex carbohydrate decreases inflammation in our body, and it also helps us decrease the risk of plaque buildup in our arteries, thus guarding us against cardiovascular disease. Some carbohydrates which you should avoid excessive intake are as follows:
Baked treats, soft drinks, stored fruit juices, sugar.
some complex carbohydrate you should consider adding into your diet to maintain your long-term health are as follows:
Consume more leafy greens, nuts, oats, quinoa, fruits and vegetables.
During this COVID-19 pandemic, WHO is on the ground to ensure health, recovery, and safety of all the countries. And one of its recent posts was,
In order to stay healthy, reduce sugar consumption.
so in our part we must avoid excessive sugar consumption and start adding more complex carbohydrates into our diet. Hey there everyone, my name is Ranjan Pradhan, and here in this channel I share information on fitness, nutrition and personality growth. So if you are new in this channel, make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss another update. Thank you.